Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. My name is Wanjiro. I usually teach Kikuyu here, but today I am going to teach you how to make soft, sweet and crunchy mandazis. Don't forget to subscribe. We're going to need 3 eggs and 3 cups of flour. I use this cup because I am a Kikuyu. I am a Kikuyu woman. We are going to also need margarine. That is 250 grams of margarine plus a little bit more, and we're going to need baking powder and milk. You can also use any spices you want or any additives you want to add to your mandazis. Mix flour, sugar and baking powder. Mix them well together. I love to use cinnamon. It is my go-to spice when making mandazis. Add margarine to your mixture. Do not melt your margarine. Mix the margarine and the flour as it is. Add your eggs, mix them together. Then add milk to the mixture. I usually do not measure my milk because the mixture will only require just a little bit of milk. If it's not enough, you can add more, and I prefer to use warmed milk. Knead well for about 4 minutes. And once your dough is ready, cover it with cling film. Cover it well and leave it for about 30 to 40 minutes. Once your dough is ready, make sure to knead it again just to firm it. Divide it into pieces and roll. Then cut them into your preferred shape. You can do round, triangle, square, rectangle, whatever shape you want. But I usually do square. So if you want round shape, you can use a glass or a cup. Cook your mandazis in hot oil until they turn golden brown. And there you have your sweet, crunchy and very soft mandazis. It is unbelievable how awesome these mandazis are. You can enjoy your mandazis with coffee or tea or lemon tea. Oof, I love coffee and I love lemon tea. That is me enjoying the mandazis and my coffee. They were awesome. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.